Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can install Google Chrome on an AlmaLinux machine. Now we'll be doing the installation on the terminal, so let's go ahead and open the terminal, and then the first thing we might want to do is check the version of AlmaLinux. We can do cat HCOS release. So the version I'm running is 10.1. okay. Now there's a few commands we'll need to run. There's not too many commands to run. The first command is to download Google Chrome, and it's a little long. We'll do wget https://dl google.com linux/direct google -chrome -stable _current _x86 _64.rpm. so this is an RPM file. Once the download is complete, we'll go ahead and install Google Chrome. Now the download is complete. We can do ls here, and this is what we just downloaded right here. We'll go ahead and install that file. We'll do sudo dnf install -y // and then this file name here. You can just use tab to complete instead of typing the whole name here, this name. So I just use tab completion. So if you just type like Google, since it's the only file here with the name Google, and you do tab, it will complete it. Okay, I'll press enter, fill in our password here. Okay, so it's complete and it's installed. Complete installed. Now let's clear this. So let's go ahead and check the version. We'll do Google -Chrome --version, and that's the version right there, 147.0.7727.55. okay, and if I go back here and try to search for Google, I see that we have Google Chrome. I can click on it to open it. You can make it your default browser if you want it, and I'm not gonna send that. Say okay. Don't sign in, and there you are. Let's go to a site, bbc.com. and I have internet access. I'm able to access. So let's see if we can open it from the terminal. Say Google Chrome, and yeah, I'm able to open it. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install Google Chrome on AlmaLinux. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.